The terms dismissed and discharged describe fundamentally different outcomes in a bankruptcy case, and confusing the two can lead to serious mistakes in creditor strategy. Here's a clear explanation of what each means and the practical implications for creditors. A bankruptcy discharge is what most debtors file bankruptcy to obtain. A discharge is a court order that eliminates the debtor's personal liability for specified pre-petition debts. Once a discharge is entered, creditors who hold discharged debts are permanently prohibited from taking any action to collect those debts against the debtor personally. No calls, no letters, no lawsuits, no enforcement. A discharge does not, however, eliminate valid liens on property. If you hold a mortgage on the debtor's home, the discharge eliminates the debtor's personal liability, but the lien remains, and you can still foreclose on the property to recover the debt. Reaffirmation agreements in Chapter 7 cases allow the debtor to remain personally liable for a specific secured debt after discharge in exchange for keeping the secured property. A bankruptcy dismissal is a completely different outcome. When a bankruptcy case is dismissed, the case is thrown out, typically because the debtor failed to file required documents, failed to make planned payments, failed to appear for the 341 meeting, or had their case dismissed for abuse. A dismissal does not eliminate any debts. All pre-petition debts survive exactly as they existed before the filing. The practical implications of dismissal for creditors: when a case is dismissed, the automatic stay terminates. All suspended collection activities can resume immediately. Statutes of limitation that were told during the bankruptcy are generally restored to their pre-filing status. If you had suspended a lawsuit, you can refile or resume proceedings. One important complication: serial filers, debtors who file and dismiss cases repeatedly to take advantage of the automatic stay, are a significant problem in debt collection. The Bankruptcy Code addresses serial filing by limiting the duration of the automatic stay in cases filed within 1 year of a prior dismissed case. Creditors dealing with repeated filings should consult with bankruptcy counsel about seeking court orders that limit or eliminate the stay in subsequent filings. People Locator skip tracing tracks, debtor bankruptcy status, and monitors for refiling patterns. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to discuss your case.